I am so sick of having to clean out this water table every single time we use it. My son played with this literally yesterday and it was clean, and now it looks like this. Product is seriously going to save you so much time and frustration. It is a cover for your water table. So when you're done playing with it, all you have to do is cover it up, and it protects from rain, snow, the UV rays so it won't fade. It comes in this handy little carry bag, so when you're not using it, you can put it in here. It has a nice zipper, and we have used it already, so it's not folded as nicely as it is when it gets delivered, but it is easy to fold and put back in the bag, which is nice. So this is what it looks like straight out of the bag. It has two handles on the top, which makes taking it off super easy. And the bottom has straps that attach to the legs of your water table so that it is wind protected and the wind's not going to blow it off. Everything is just super secure on there. I've seen a lot of people asking if it can be used for other outdoor toys as opposed to just this water table, and it absolutely can as long as the dimensions are roughly the same or smaller. The material feels super durable and is definitely good quality, and it does have a waterproof lining on the inside. So let me show you how easy this is to put on. This is what the full bag looks like. This is our water table. Just going to open it at the bottom. And slide it right over the top. Easy as that. And like I said, it has two handles here, so when you are taking it off, you can just pull it up. So let me move you down here. This is what the bottom looks like. We have one leg here, and these are adjustable straps that go around the leg of your water table. And it also cinches. So once I put all the straps on, you can cinch this tight. So it just gives that extra layer of protection. So put this around and buckle it. And it is as easy as that. So I'm gonna go do that to the other four. There is a buckle for every leg. And then here is the cinch. So we'll pull that in. That'll help keep any critters out. And one on this side. There we go, as easy as that. My son plays with his water table literally every day in the summer. So I absolutely love the fact that I'm not going to be out here cleaning this out every day before he starts playing with it. All I have to do is pull that cover off and fill the water table up and he's good to go. I highly recommend this water table cover, and thank you so much to the brand for gifting it to me so that I can share it with you.